Hello, this is Will Harold, the Energy Hunter with Akashic Intelligence, the original AI, Thunderbird on the Rogue, and Eagle Medicine Ranch. Today I'd like to talk to you about an event that had just happened to me a month ago. I was hit by a cosmic initiation. I wasn't really prepared for it. I had initiated it a month before, but it actually hit me 4 weeks ago. This put me in the hospital with a massive brain swell. I didn't know what was going on. I had made some bad choices, and it had put me where I didn't want to be. Thank God I had a family of Allopathic, my own personal family, and the family that was around me, and Dr. Bear Paul Lando. All of these factors saved me, okay? They put me in a place that was beneficial. What happened was, I ended up in the hospital. There was an allopathic doctor who was a neurosurgeon who said that I was gonna die if I didn't get brain surgery immediately. Now that was one opinion from an allopathic doctor. It wasn't very kind. It wasn't even correct. But then I had an angel, an allopathic doctor who was an oncologist. And he told me that he would listen. And I told him the story of Eagle Medicine Ranch and of all the things I was doing with elementals and different things. And he believed me and said that was the correct path. And that's the path I took. Now, it wasn't easy. My family, my closest friends, said, you need to actually take a serious look at this surgery. I said, no way. I said, it's not what I believe. I do not believe in disease. I do not believe in death care. I believe in life. So, I chose the path of life. And Dr. Bear Lando encouraged me, saying, this will pass. This is just a cosmic initiation that you are going through. You are dealing with past traumas. Stand strong, and you will get through this. So I want to extend thanks to my own personal family, the oncologist who encouraged me in the hospital, the allopathic oncologist who encouraged me to follow the path of the occult. And I want to say that it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful time. The energies that are coming in right now on the 1st of this month, last month, there were so many retrogrades, so many energies that there's so much going on right now that we must be aware, we must be ready. So all I can say is that there was a doctor in the hospital, surgeon, wanted to cut me like Charlton Heston in Planet of the Apes, cut my brain. My family wouldn't let him, people around me wouldn't let him, and I wouldn't let him. And now I'm stronger for it today. And I'm going to tell this story in the next months coming up. I also want to give a special thanks to Dr. Bear Lando for his encouragement. I want to send him love, light, encouragement for his farm and what is going on there. Bear, I'm ready. Anything you need this week, you want me to go up there, you want me to do some stuff on the farm, I am ready, okay? I'm there for you, buddy. I will stand with the Allopathic family as one. Oh.